Walking around downtown now and one of the little cities here in Tenerife. Cafe, bar, and restaurant. Kind of a neat place. Outdoor cafes here, a number of them. Take these waves here, there's some serious breakers going on. No swimming going on out there. Said no swimming going on out there. This is a nice little beachfront property here. Multiple pools, one pool after another. This is really quite a nice little... Got one of the little trains here. Puerto de la Cruz, that's where we are. So the Port of de la Cruz, I guess. Who knows? So it's 5 p.m. on Tuesday in Tenerife. Here as we are setting sail, first time I've actually timed it out where I'm in the room. This is a view from our balcony, of course. We were all over this island today, so that was great that we're pulling out here. Nice view of the city.